There's a powerful secret inside your body, one that most people have never even heard of. It connects your thoughts, your mood, and your focus. And it's been quietly shaping how you feel every single day. Scientists call it the gut-brain axis, a hidden communication line between your digestive system and your mind. But here's the thing. This connection doesn't just affect your stomach or your emotions. It influences almost everything, from stress and sleep to how clearly you think. In the next few minutes, we'll explore how your gut literally talks to your mind, how it sends chemical messages that shape the way you think, feel, and react. And by the end, you'll understand why caring for your gut might be the most powerful mental health habit you've never tried. Inside your body, there's an ongoing conversation you can't hear, between your brain and trillions of microbes in your gut. This system is so complex that scientists now call the gut our second brain. It has its own network of over 100 million neurons, more than the spinal cord. Every second, this second brain sends signals through a superhighway called the vagus nerve, connecting your digestive system directly to your emotional center, the limbic system. That means when your gut is inflamed, stressed, or imbalanced, your brain feels it. And when your brain is anxious or overworked, your gut reacts instantly. This two-way street explains why stress can cause stomach pain, or why gut discomfort can make you feel emotionally on edge. It's not in your head. It's a biological dialogue happening beneath your awareness. Around 90% of your body's serotonin, the neurotransmitter linked to mood and calm, is made not in your brain, but in your gut. So when your gut bacteria are thriving, your mood tends to be stable. But when your microbiome is out of balance, from poor diet, chronic stress, or lack of sleep, that serotonin production drops. Scientists have found that people with anxiety or depression often show measurable differences in gut bacteria diversity. It doesn't mean the gut causes mental illness, but it plays a major supporting role in how resilient or sensitive you feel day to day. Think of it like an orchestra. When your gut microbes are in tune, your emotions flow smoothly. When they're out of rhythm, you feel every note that's off-key. Stress is one of the biggest disruptors of this gut-brain harmony. When you're under pressure, your brain releases cortisol, the fight or flight hormone. Cortisol slows digestion, alters gut permeability, and even changes how bacteria behave. That's why long-term stress can lead to bloating, IBS, or fatigue. And in return, that gut distress sends alarm signals right back to the brain, amplifying anxiety. It becomes a feedback loop. The more stressed you are, the more your gut suffers, and the more your gut reacts, the more your brain feels on edge. Breaking that loop doesn't start with forcing calm thoughts. It starts with calming your body first. The good news is, this system can heal. Studies show that small daily habits, like mindful breathing, fiber-rich foods, fermented vegetables, and quality sleep, begin to restore the gut-brain dialogue. A few minutes of deep breathing activates the vagus nerve, signaling to your gut that you're safe. A diverse, colorful diet feeds the good microbes that produce calming neurotransmitters. And even consistent bedtime routines help synchronize the body's internal clocks between gut and brain. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about rebuilding communication with the part of yourself you've been ignoring. So the next time you feel anxious, tired, or just a little off balance, pause for a moment and listen. Maybe your gut has been trying to tell you something all along. If this video helped you slow down and understand your body a little better, give it a like. It really helps this calm corner of the internet to grow. And if you'd like to take the next step, start with what's on your plate. Watch 5 foods that cleanse your gut and improve digestion. These simple, everyday foods can help your body and your mind feel lighter, calmer, and more balanced. And don't forget to subscribe to Green Habit Studio for more gentle, science-based insights that help you feel better, naturally.